Technology is changing everything. This is not news. From the way we communicate to how we work, technology has become an integral part of our daily lives. But the pace of change is accelerating. Machines are getting smarter. They're evolving at a rate that is unprecedented in human history. They can perform tasks that once required human intelligence. Tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans are now being handled by machines. This has profound implications for the future of work. The landscape of employment is shifting and we must adapt to these changes. Routine, repetitive jobs are disappearing. The roles that involve monotonous tasks are being automated. Manufacturing, data entry. These are just a few examples of sectors where automation is taking over, even some aspects of customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming more common, handling inquiries and providing support. This trend will only continue. As technology advances, more jobs will be affected. The World Economic Forum predicts that automation will displace 85 million jobs globally by 2025. This is a staggering number, but this is not a dystopian future. New jobs will emerge. Opportunities will arise in areas we have yet to fully understand. Jobs that require uniquely human skills, creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and above all, empathy. These are the skills that machines cannot replicate. The leaders of tomorrow will need more than just technical expertise. They will need to be adaptable and forward-thinking. They will need to understand and connect with people. Building strong relationships and fostering a positive work environment will be crucial. They will need to inspire and motivate teams in a world of constant change. The ability to lead with empathy and vision will define the successful leaders of the future. In a world increasingly dominated by technology, it's easy to forget the importance of human connection. But the truth is, empathy is more important than ever. It's the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, to see the world from their perspective, to walk in their shoes. Empathy is not just a nice-to-have skill, it's essential for effective leadership. Why? Because leadership is about people. It's about inspiring others to achieve a common goal. And you can't inspire people if you don't understand them. Leaders who lack empathy create toxic cultures, cultures of fear and distrust, where people are afraid to speak up or share their ideas. This stifles innovation and creativity. It leads to poor decision-making, and ultimately it hurts the bottom line. Empathy is a key component of emotional intelligence, or EQ. EQ is the ability to perceive, understand, manage, and use emotions, both our own emotions and the emotions of others. Leaders with high EQ are self-aware. They understand their own strengths and weaknesses. They are also aware of how their actions impact others. They are skilled communicators. They can build strong relationships. They can resolve conflict effectively. They can create positive, productive work environments. In short, they are the kind of leaders people want to follow. Elon Musk is a brilliant engineer and entrepreneur. He has revolutionized the electric car industry with Tesla. He has made space travel more affordable with SpaceX. But Musk has also been criticized for his leadership style. He is known for being demanding and difficult to work with. Some former employees have described a culture of fear and intimidation at Tesla. Musk's story is a cautionary tale. Technical brilliance is not enough. Leaders need empathy. They need to create positive work environments where people feel valued and respected. Without empathy, even the most talented leaders will struggle to achieve sustainable success. Section 5, Leading with Heart, Dr. Tomislav Mihaljevich's empathetic approach to healthcare. Dr. Tomislav Mihaljevic is a renowned cardiac surgeon and the CEO of Cleveland Clinic, one of the world's leading healthcare institutions. His journey in medicine has been marked by a deep commitment to patient care and medical excellence. Dr. Mihaljevic is known for his patient-centric approach to healthcare. He has always emphasized the importance of seeing the patient as a whole person, not just a medical condition. He believes that empathy is essential for providing high-quality care. Empathy, he argues, is not just a soft skill, but a critical component of effective medical treatment. Dr. Mihaljevic leads by example. His leadership style is characterized by a hands-on approach and a genuine concern for both patients and staff. He makes time to connect with patients and their families. This personal touch helps build trust and ensures that patients feel heard and valued. He listens to their concerns. By actively listening, he can better understand their needs and provide more personalized care. He treats them with compassion and respect. This approach not only improves patient satisfaction but also contributes to better health outcomes. Under his leadership, Cleveland Clinic has become a model for patient-centered care. The institution has implemented numerous initiatives to enhance the patient experience. Dr. Mihaljevich's story illustrates the power of empathy in leadership. His approach has inspired many within the healthcare community to prioritize empathy in their own practices. By putting people first, he has created a culture of caring and excellence. This culture permeates every level of the organization, from the administrative staff to the medical professionals. This has resulted in better outcomes for patients and a more fulfilling work environment for employees. The Cleveland Clinic continues to thrive under his empathetic and visionary leadership, setting new standards in healthcare. Section 6. Cultivating empathy. Practical steps for leaders to enhance emotional intelligence. Empathy is not an innate trait, it's a skill that can be developed. Leaders can cultivate empathy by practicing active listening. Pay attention to what others are saying. Ask clarifying questions. Reflect back what you hear to ensure understanding. Seeking diverse perspectives. Make an effort to connect with people from different backgrounds and experiences. Listen to their stories. Learn from their perspectives. Developing emotional self-awareness. Pay attention to your own emotions. Understand how your emotions impact your behavior. Learn to manage your emotions effectively. By taking these steps, leaders can develop their emotional intelligence and become more empathetic leaders. Section 7. The ripple effect of empathy, fostering collaboration, innovation, and trust. Empathy is contagious. It starts with one person and spreads throughout the entire organization, creating a culture where everyone feels valued and understood. When leaders lead with empathy, it creates a ripple effect throughout the organization. This ripple effect begins with small acts of understanding and compassion, which gradually build up to create a significant impact on the overall work environment. Employees who feel understood and valued are more likely to be engaged and productive. They are motivated to put in their best effort, knowing that their contributions are appreciated and recognized. They are also more likely to trust their leaders and colleagues. This trust is built on the foundation of empathy, where everyone feels that their perspectives and feelings are acknowledged. This trust is essential for collaboration and innovation. When team members trust each other, they are more willing to share their ideas and work together towards common goals. When people trust each other, they are more likely to share ideas and work together to solve problems. This collaborative spirit leads to more effective problem-solving and a more cohesive team dynamic. This leads to better decision-making and a more agile and responsive organization. An organization that can quickly adapt to changes and challenges is better positioned for long-term success. Empathy also fosters a culture of psychological safety. In such an environment, employees feel secure in expressing their thoughts and ideas without fear of judgment or retribution. This means that people feel comfortable speaking up and sharing their ideas, even if they are different from the norm. Diverse perspectives are welcomed and valued, leading to richer discussions and more innovative solutions. This is essential for innovation, as it allows for the free flow of ideas and encourages risk-taking. When employees feel safe to take risks, they are more likely to come up with creative and groundbreaking ideas that can drive the organization forward. To Section 8, Humanizing the Workplace, creating a culture of compassion and understanding. In today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, it's easy for workplaces to become impersonal and purely transactional. But by prioritizing empathy, leaders can create workplaces that are more human, compassionate, and understanding. This means creating a culture where people feel comfortable bringing their whole selves to work, where they feel safe to be vulnerable and share their personal struggles, where they know that they will be supported, not judged. Section 9, the future of leadership. Embracing empathy as a competitive advantage. In the years to come, empathy will be a key differentiator for leaders and organizations. As artificial intelligence and automation continue to reshape the workplace, human skills like empathy will become even more valuable. Organizations with empathetic leaders will be better equipped to attract and retain top talent. They will be more innovative and agile, and they will be better positioned to navigate the challenges of an increasingly complex world. On Section 10, a call to action leading with humanity in an increasingly complex world. The world needs more empathetic leaders, leaders who understand that people are not resources to be exploited, but human beings with hopes, dreams, and fears. Leaders who are willing to put people first, even when it's difficult. Leaders who have the courage to lead with their hearts as well as their heads. This is not a call for weakness or sentimentality. It's a call for strength. The strength to be vulnerable. The strength to connect with others on a human level. The strength to build a better future for all. The future of work is human, and the future belongs to those who lead with empathy.